In Qing Dynasty, there was a guy named Zhang Ying who wanted to encourage poor young people to study hard. Because for poor people, pass the imperial exam to win official rank might be the only way to change their life. At that time, people used oil lamp, which cost a lot for poor people. So he decided to use his own money to help them. He sent two guys to add oil for those poor young people who read out loud and study at night. While these two guys adding the oil, they will also say, Zhang Ying is adding oil for you, and brought Zhang Ying's encouraging words to the young people, like wish you can pass the exam to win official rank. Ever since then, the jiayou were used to encourage people. By the way, Zhang Ying was a poor young man. Through his hard working, he got an official rank, zhixian. Zhixian is similar like nowadays secretary of municipal party committee. I know Chinese tones, Chinese characters are hard to learn, but jiayou. By the way, what kind of oil do you want? Maybe you can let me know and I will see can I offer that kind of oil to let you jiayou.